On this episode of MCHP, we discussed the new PIC32 MX1, MX2 devices from Microchip Technology. And now, here's your host, Cheri Keller.
Hi there, and welcome to episode 6 of MCHP. I'm your host, Cheri Keller. Recently, Microchip Technology announced the release of a new series of low pin count 32-bit microcontrollers that provide 61 drystone MIPS performance in packages as small as 5x5 millimeters. These devices are available with USB on-the-go capabilities and are the first PIC32 microcontrollers to feature dedicated audio and capacitive sensing peripherals. Educators, hobbyists, and seasoned engineers will be pleased to hear that these new PIC32 MX1 and MX2 microcontrollers are also available in 28-pin skinny PDIP packages for easy application development on solderless prototyping boards or other through-hole applications. Microchip has also released an updated version of its popular Microstick platform known as the Microstick 2. This is the perfect solution for anyone looking for an easy-to-use platform that won't break the bank. This all-in-one kit features a USB-powered integrated programmer debugger and is designed for insertion into a standard prototyping board. Around the size of a stick of gum, the Microstick 2 supports all of Microchip's 3.3-volt, 16 and 32-bit MCU families in the skinny PDIP package. Next, in our Ask Microchip segment, I had the chance to sit down with Dave Richkas, a marketing manager for the PIC32 family. He spoke to us about the features and benefits of the Microstick 2. Can you tell me a little bit about the new Microstick 2 development platform?
The Microstick 2 development platform is a compact, low-cost, completely integrated development tool for developers who want to get familiar with Microchip microcontrollers. It includes an integrated debugger, so programmer debugger that's USB connected.
What features do you think would make this new platform ideal for academics?
Well, we really focused on making it ideal for academics, and that we worked with Professor Bob Reese of Mississippi State in developing this platform. So things like, it plugs into a proto board. Nice and easy plug into a proto board, and then you can put all your development circuitry around it. And then if any of that circuitry should go bad and maybe fry the chip, well, it's socketed, so you can pull the chip out, go to microchip.com, and order a new one. The integrated debugger and then the MPLab, integrated IDE combined, connected via USB, makes for a great development platform for students to learn on. So this way, they come to companies and they know how to work in a development environment in debugging embedded code.
So what online materials or resources are associated with this kit?
Well, yeah, that's where you start, right? You download the MPLab IDE, the C compiler, you buy the board, and there's sample code online, and also all of our Microchip software libraries for the devices supported, and there's hundreds of devices supported by this platform, work on the various chips, because it's basically a debugger connected to a chip with a fan out of all the pins available.
Good stuff. Okay, let's see what Mark McComb is up to in the lab.
Hey everyone, Mark McComb here, and we're back where it all started, in the lab. I've hung up my hat, and Stephanie's taken a much-needed vacation. Here in the lab, we'll take a closer look at new products and technologies from Microchip, like the new PIC32 MX1 and MX2 devices. Since these come in the SPDIP package, they're great for breadboarding, and connecting a programmer debugger couldn't be any easier. All of this information is provided in the user's guide, located in the download section for a given programmer debugger. The PIC32 is demonstrated here. The user's guide will contain such information as connector pinout and standard connection target circuitry. Let's take a closer look at an example connecting a PIC32 to our PIC32 and SPDIP package. Shown here are the 7 pins that will be used on our microcontroller. These pins correspond to the connector pinout from the user's guide. Using a standard 6-pin male header, we connect power to the chip, the programming data and clock lines, master clear, which requires a pull-up resistor, and finally, on many devices, a capacitor to provide stability for an on-chip voltage regulator. And that's pretty much it, a low-cost way to evaluate Microchip products and technologies. More in-depth videos on this and other introductory concepts can be viewed on our Microchip YouTube channel under the Academic Program playlist. I'm Mark McComb, and we'll see you next time in the lab.
Thanks, Mark. And hopefully Stephanie will bring you a really cool souvenir from his vacation. Then again, probably not. For more information on the Microstick 2, visit microchip.com/microstick. Check out past episodes at microchip.com/mchiptube or on iTunes. Thanks, and we'll catch you next time.